A very good morning, class. So, last time we started with exercise 4.1 of the chapter time series and we finished the graphical method. There are three types of method as I have explained you all to calculate the trends or to estimate the trends in a time series. So, in our previous lecture, we finished with the topic of graphical method wherein we saw how to draw graph and the trend line by using the data which was given to us. Today we are going to start with the second method which is used for estimation of trends in a time series which is called as moving averages. Now moving averages के method में there are three types which we'll be covering. One is the 3-yearly, second is the 4-yearly, and third is the 5-yearly moving averages. So let's see the sums and the method of how to solve a time series ka sum with the help of moving averages. Now, when I talk about average, what do you mean by the word average? Average ka matlab hai, for example, if I give you a raw data, like 2, 3, 4 and I ask you to find out the mean of it. तो mean का मतलब होता है average. Average means x bar, correct? तो x bar का formula is summation x upon n. This you have already learned in previous year or even in the 10th standard. That is 2 plus 3 plus 4. जितने भी values है you are gonna add it together. ठीक है? And how many numbers are there? By that number you'll be dividing it. That is called as average. So for example, is data का average होगा 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 upon 3 your x bar or average of the data is 3. So in the similar manner, we are going to solve the sums based on averages, but फर्क कितना होगा? It will be moving. Moving मतलब it will be going on changing एक वैल्यू से दूसरे वैल्यू पर. तो कैसे? Let's see. So first I'm teaching you all how to solve the time series wala sum by the method of 3-yearly moving averages. So obtain the trend values for the above data using 3-yearly moving average. Now above data का मतलब है they are talking about sum number 7. So in sum number 7, we have already done that sum with the help of graphical method. Now they are telling us to solve the 7th sum by 3-yearly moving averages. So let's have a look how it is solved. Now this is the way you will be making your table look like. So for 3-yearly moving average, you will be preparing 4 columns. 4 columns में the पहले 2 column will be of your question. तो जैसे आप देख रहे, the first column represents year, the second represents production, and the next 2 columns are 3-yearly moving total and 3-yearly moving averages, the trend values. So are you clear with the column का नाम? क्या लिखेंगे आप लोग? 3-yearly moving total. First we'll be totaling it, summation of x. Okay, and उसके बाद we'll be removing the 3-yearly moving averages, that is the trend values. अब procedure क्या है? Pay attention carefully. With the help of a pencil, first you will make column of 3 like this. ठीक है ना? 3-yearly है मतलब we'll be adding 3 numbers. और next पे जाते समय ऊपर का एक number आपने कम करते जाना है. So first I'll pair up 0, 4 and 4. Okay, now when there are 3 numbers, तो center निकालना आसान हो जाता है. So if I ask you what is the center of 0, 4, 4, तो आप 0 और 4 को eliminate करोगे. So 4 is the midpoint. So midpoint के सामने आपने उसका total लिखना है. So 0 plus 4 plus 4 answer is 8. तो you will be writing 8 midpoint के सामने. ठीक है? So once you are done with this, you will take a pencil and cancel 0. So I'll show you how it will look like. So see, your first value will look somewhat like this. 0 plus 4 plus 4. मिड पॉइंट के सामने अपने लिखना है टोटल, दैट इज 8. सो आर यू ऑल क्लियर विद दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग? तो जब हम नेक्स्ट का टोटल लिखेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ पेंसिल, यू विल कैंसिल द फर्स्ट वैल्यू लाइक दिस. तो आप पहला वैल्यू कैंसिल कर देंगे. Now next total 10 कैसे आया? Now you will pick up the next three values. That is 4 plus 4 plus 2. Now what is the center value? 4. तो 4 के सामने you will be writing the answer as 10. And then with the help of a pencil again you will cancel the 4. With the help of pencil मैं बार बार इसीलिए बोल रही हूँ because once you are done with the totaling part, with the help of the eraser आपको ये सारे रब करने पड़ेंगे. Okay? So आया समझ में? चलो next 3 tell me what will be. 4 plus 2 plus 6. तो 6 plus 2 8 होता है. 8 plus 4 12. मिड पॉइंट के सामने आप लिखोगे 12. फिर आप 4 को कैंसिल कर दोगे. नेक्स्ट 3 का सेट उठाओगे. 2 plus 6 plus 8. तो 6 plus 8 gives you 14. 14 plus 2 will give you 16 और 16 will be मिड पॉइंट के सामने you'll be writing the value. And जैसे जैसे एक एक होते जाएगा you will be keeping on cancelling with the help of pencil like this. तो ऐसे करते करते entirely once you are done with the column elements like this, you will get a table which will look like this. So as you saw 8, 10, 12, 16 तक we reached. फिर से 19, 22, 18, 23, 24. तो आपका last lot will be like this. 4 plus 10 plus 10 which is 24. तो 10 के सामने मिड पॉइंट के सामने will be writing 24. Now as you can see class, I cannot add 0 and 4 because 0 के ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं है. Similarly, I cannot add 10, 10 and because 10 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है. So that is why as you can see, I've put a dash 8 के ऊपर and 24 के नीचे. So in this way you will be making the total of 3 yearly moving averages. So I hope यहाँ तक clear हो गया आप लोगों को. All right. Now very simple part is gonna come. 3 yearly moving averages निकालना है. Now in order to remove the average, we have to divide the total by some number. Now by what number we'll be dividing? Can anybody tell me? Very good. Shabash. We'll be dividing it by 3. Why 3? Because you have added 3 numbers together. So 8 divided by 3, answer is 2.66. 10 divided by 3, answer is 3.33. 12 divided by 3, you get a round figure that is 4. So 4.00. 16 divided by 3, 5.33. So in this manner, हर एक नंबर को आप 3 से डिवाइड करोगे. 18/3, आंसर is 6. तो 6.00. And with this, 3 yearly moving average का सम हो जाता है खत्म. So I hope 3 yearly moving average आपको समझ में आया. It is one of the most easiest methods. Okay. So follow the sum. How to do? All right. So moving forward, and once you're done with the sum, with the help of pencil scale, you have to make a proper table like this, as you can see. So proper tabular form आपको form करना है. All right. So moving on to the next sum, sum number 3, we are going to start now. Obtain the trend line for the above data using 5 yearly moving averages. So now you all understood 3 yearly कैसे करते हैं. So now we'll be using above data means again they are telling us to take the data of the first sum. So with the help of the table of the first sum, they are asking you to prepare 5 yearly moving averages. 5 yearly moving averages ka table is the same as 3 yearly moving averages ka table. So as I told you, for 5 yearly and 3 yearly total, how many columns you will be preparing? 4 columns. Out of those 4 columns, the first 2 columns are clear to you all. That is year and production. The third column will be 5 yearly moving total. And the fourth column will be 5 yearly moving averages or trend values. Now with the help of a pencil, 5 yearly hai, so we'll be taking the first 5 numbers. Okay. and the total का answer you have to write exactly midpoint के सामने. Now when I say midpoint, in case of 5 numbers again midpoint लेना आसान है. एक नंबर इधर से कम कर दो, एक नंबर यहाँ से, एक नंबर यहाँ से कम कर दो. So this is the midpoint of 5 numbers. So whatever total comes, you'll be writing in front of 1. So let's see. पहले 5 का bundle I have made. So the total will be 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. So 4 plus 2 gives you a 6. So in front of 1, you'll be writing the value 6. So how it will look? It will look like this. So 1 के सामने exact midpoint, you're writing the value to be as 6. And once you're done with that, you'll cancel the 0 with the help of pencil. Again, next 5 number का lot बनाओगे आप like this. So what will be the midpoint? The midpoint of this number again will be 1. So 6 का next number you'll be writing over here. So it will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 इधर आएगा and with the help of pencil you will cut this particular 0 as well. So your sum will look like this. Can you see? 6 इधर आ गया, 8 इधर आ गया and 0, 0 cancel हो गए. So in this way you will be preparing the next lot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये पांचों को आपने add करना है. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. So 12 इधर आएगा and with the help of a pencil you will cancel this particular one. आपका next lot बनेगा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 and 9 gives you 20. 20 will come here. With the help of pencil you will cancel this particular one. So the next lot will be 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 9 plus 7. Next lot will be 2 plus 4 plus 9 plus 7 plus 10. Next lot will be 4 plus 9 plus 7 plus 10 plus 8. So this will be the last lot of making the final total. Q final total I am telling because you cannot add 9 plus 7 plus 10 plus 8 because 4 ही number है. Next number is missing. So आप 4 number का total नहीं ले सकते. So as you can see मैंने 2 dash ऊपर डाले हैं and 2 dash will come downwards as well. So your table after doing all the total will look somewhat like this. So ऊपर 2 dashes, नीचे 2 dashes and between you have got all the total of your moving averages. I hope आपको समझ में आ रहा है how to make the table. Okay. Now the step is easy. Now in order to get the next column that is 5 yearly moving averages, you will divide it by 3. 3 nahi, you will divide it by 5 because the question is 5 yearly moving averages. So the final column will look like this. 6 divided by 5 you get 1.2. 8 divided by 5 you get 1.6. Similarly 20 divided by 5 you get 4.0. 32 divided by 5 you get 6.4. ऐसे करके your final table is ready. So are you all clear with this particular sum class? समझ में आ रहा है how to make 5 yearly and 3 yearly moving averages? Okay. Moving forward to sum number 10. So pay attention in sum number 10 what they are asking you. The following table shows the production of gasoline in USA for the years 1962 to 1976. Obtain the trend values for the above data using 5 yearly moving averages. Plot the original time series and the trend values obtained above on the same graph. So there are 2 questions asked over here. The first is they are asking you to make 5 yearly moving averages. And after that, they are also telling you to plot it on a graph paper, the original value as well as the trend values जो आपको table में मिलेगा. So first, let's have a look how you will prepare the table values. So again, it is 5 yearly moving table. तो हम 4 column बनाएंगे. The first 2 columns will be from your question. The next column will be 5 yearly moving total and 5 yearly moving averages in the bracket trend values. So again, it's 5 yearly. So the first bunch you will make of 5, add the total in front and write it in front of the center value. So 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. You get the answer as 4 and 0 cancel ho jayega. The next value you will start from the next 0, 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 के सामने grand total आया 7, you will cancel that 0. So similarly, ऐसे lot, ऐसे bundle बना के you will be adding, and this is what you will be getting your final table to be as. आपका last bundle will be 8 plus 9 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, and in front of it you will be writing the value, because after that you will be having only 4 values which you cannot add. So for 5 yearly, minimum you need 5 values to add up together. Once you're done with the table, then as you know, you will divide the total, the third column ke total, by the number 5. So 4 upon 5 you get 0.8, 7 upon 5 you get 1.4, 15 upon 5 you get 3.0, 20 upon 5 you get 4.0. So in this way, you get the values of your trend values in case of 5 yearly moving averages. Alright, so with this 10 का first part खत्म होता है अपना यहाँ पे. Now moving forward with the same thing, let us see what they are asking you in the second one. They are asking you to plot the original time values series and trend values. तो original मतलब ये वाले जो आपको table में दिख रहे, and trend values मतलब what you got after dividing by 5. इन दोनों को you are plotting on the same graph. So let's have a look how to do that. So in the graphical method, I've already explained you all. What we do first, we prepare 2 columns, that is 2 axes, X and Y. So on the X axis, yours dikhate 1 centimeter, and on the Y axis, we are showing production in million barrels. We are taking the value 1 centimeter is 1 unit again. So as you can see, I've plotted the original values with the help of the dots and put them in a circle. Just for your concern, I'll show you. The very first value was not 10, it is 0. There's a printing mistake. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, 0, 0 मतलब दोनों के दोनों x axis पे है. 1, 1 is plotted together. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then again there's a drop. Again there's an increase. There's a rise. So original points मैंने इस तरीके से plot कर दिया. An important thing is you are mentioning the scale as well. So with the help of a pencil, I've joined the dots. Either by freehand you can draw, or you can use a scale for that. So once you join the dots, then you get the you can show them with the arrow and name it as original values. Okay. Now, as you can see in the diagram with the dotted line, I will be plotting the trend line. Okay. So the trend values, फटाफट से I'll show you. The trend value was 0.8, 1.4, 2.2, 3.2. Okay. So that I've plotted on the graph like this. So 0.8, as you can see, is below 1. So I started with here. Next is 1.4, so I started here, then 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 6.0, continuously it's increasing. Then some 8.8, 7.6, in between I'm getting the values which I've plotted here. And with the help of the dotted line, I have joined the dots like this. So you can name it with the help of the arrow as trend line. So in this way, you have plotted both original values and the trend values on the same graph. So I hope you're clear with 3 yearly moving averages and 5 yearly moving averages. Okay. So isn't it easy? 3 yearly and 5 yearly. Now class, I want you to pay attention very carefully, because now we'll be starting with 4 yearly moving averages. And for that, I require your special attention because 3 yearly और 5 yearly के जैसा 4 yearly बिल्कुल नहीं है. There is a little bit of more मेहनत involved in comparison to 3 yearly and 5 yearly. And वो मेहनत क्या है? Pay attention. That is why for that I require you to focus and listen to this particular video very carefully. So we are starting with sum number 6, which involves calculate the trend values with the help of 4 yearly centered moving averages. I repeat, 4 yearly centered moving averages. Okay? Now, why is the name called so? I will explain while we solve the sum. So now, अब तक हम कितने कॉलम बना रहे थे? We used to prepare 4 columns. Now, in case of 4 yearly moving averages, 2 more columns are added. So in totality, आपको कितने कॉलम बनाने हैं for 4 yearly? 6 columns. Okay. Now out of those 6, 2 कॉलम तो ऑलरेडी आपको पता है जो कि आपके क्वेश्चन के हैं. ठीक है. So this is what is the question part का दोनों कॉलम, year and index which is given in the question. Apart from that, next 4 column आएंगे 4 yearly moving total, 4 yearly moving average, 2 unit moving total, and 4 yearly centered moving averages trend values. So I repeat the names again: 4 yearly moving total, 4 yearly moving averages, 2 unit moving total, and 4 yearly centered moving averages trend value. Another important thing you have to note when you prepare the table of 4 yearly moving average, कोई मुझे बता सकता है what is the new thing which you observed in the table apart from 6 columns? Very good. अब तक in 3 yearly or 5 yearly, as you can see, I used to make the table normally बिना लाइन छोड़े. दिख रहा है आपको साथ साथ एक के नीचे एक I used to prepare the table. But as far as 4 yearly moving average is concerned, you will leave one line after each year. तो मतलब एक year में कितने का बक्सा बनेगा? One box will be made up of 2 lines. Is that clear? अब ऐसा हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? You will come to know. Pay attention. So the starting is the easy, same thing. पहले आप 4 का बंडल बना लेंगे, ठीक है? And you have to write mid value के बीच में. Now when I say mid value, in case of 4 values, अगर मैं आपको पूछूं what is the mid value, तो mid value का मतलब है 2 and 3 का center, okay? Because 2 and 3 का mid point के बीच में will be writing. Because 2 and 3 दोनों भी मिड पॉइंट नहीं है, तो इसका मतलब 2 and 3 का जो सेंटर है वहां पे you will be writing the total. So are you all clear with the stuff? Whenever you make a bundle, in front of the midpoint अपन total लिखते हैं. So that is what I am trying to tell you over here is, after making 4 का bundle, you saw that यहाँ पे एग्जैक्ट मिड पॉइंट तो है नहीं, और अगर है भी तो वो खाली जगह में दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. सो इन दैट खाली जगह यू विल बी राइटिंग द टोटल. सो एज यू सॉ 0 + 2 + 3 + 3 आंसर आया 8, व्हिच आई रोट 2 और 3 के सेंटर में. ठीक है. सो यू विल कैंसिल 0 विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर पेंसिल. नेक्स्ट का बंडल जब आप बनाओगे, सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेंसिल यू कैन फर्स्ट मेक द एरोस. आप एरोस बना के रख सकते हो. सो नेक्स्ट बंडल विल बी 2 3 3 2. अगेन नेक्स्ट एरो यहाँ पे आएगा सेंटर में, नेक्स्ट एरो यहाँ पे आएगा सेंटर में, नेक्स्ट एरो विल कम हियर, नेक्स्ट एरो विल कम हियर. सो ये आप पेंसिल से बना के रख सकते हो पहले. सो एज यू सॉ 2 + 3 + 3 + 2, यू गॉट द वैल्यू एज 10. विद हेल्प ऑफ पेंसिल 2 कैंसिल कर दिया. So in the same way, you will prepare the entire table like this. So can you see with the help of pencil I have made all the arrows. So last ka bundle you will find over here. So your last ka bundle is 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10. तो 6 और 7 का जो सेंटर है उसके सामने वैल्यू विल कम. So that is why, as you can see, 1 dash is above, 1 dash is below. This will be the last bundle of your total. आप इसके नीचे नहीं जा सकते, ना इसके ऊपर जा सकते. Clear है? Now what are you observing? ये values जिस भी जगह पे है उसके सामने कोई year है ही नहीं. They are existing somewhere in the middle of the year. Exactly year के सामने तो है ही नहीं. So that is the reason of preparing a next new column called as 2 unit moving total. तो उस पे मैं बाद में आती हूँ. सबसे पहले we'll finish off with 4 yearly moving averages. Now moving averages का मतलब divide by the number of values you added. So 8 divided by 4 करेंगे हम, which is 2.0. 10 divided by 4 करेंगे, which is 2.5. 12 divided by 4, which is 3.0. In similar manner, you'll be dividing everything by 4 and you get the answer. Again, I'll ask you the same thing. मेरे को बताओ 4 yearly moving averages 2 कौन से साल का वैल्यू है? कोई भी साल का नहीं, because nothing is specified. 2.5 के सामने भी कुछ नहीं है, 4.25 के सामने भी कुछ नहीं है. So for that कुछ नहीं, to get converted into the year, आप एक नया column introduce करोगे, that is called as 2 unit moving total. So what is the meaning of 2 unit? मतलब 2 unit को add करना है, and again answer कहाँ लिखना है? उनके center में. So as you can see, 2.0 plus 2.5 का first bundle मैंने बनाया. And I will be writing the value in between them. यहाँ पे. So with the help of pencil, as you can see, मैंने सारे centers में arrow बना दिए हैं, like this. So आपका last bundle का lot होगा 5.5 plus 7.0. तो आपका last arrow will be here. Now, if you add the total, you will get the table values like this. 2.0 और 2.5 का total is 4.5. 2.5 and 3.0 का total is 5.5. 3.0 plus 3.5 का total is 6.5. Now if I ask you 4.5 कौन सा year represent करता है? अरे it's 1978. That mean आगे ना अपन कुछ नहीं से कुछ year पे. 6.5 का answer is 1980. So now you will be getting your final answer, which is called as the trend values. So what will be our fourth column? 4 yearly centered moving averages or trend value. Now I am asking you, क्या मैं इसको 4 से divide करूं या 2 से? 4 से. If you are telling 4, you get a big anda. If you tell 2, you get the right answer. Now somebody can tell me why I am telling you all to divide it by 2. Because ये total कब आया? On adding 2 values. So I will divide the final total by 2. So 4.5 का total is 2.25. 5.5 divided by 2 का answer is 2.75. 6.5 divided by 2 का answer is 3.25. So in this way, I have finished with my 4 yearly averages का table. So last के 2 साल में you can put a dash and last के 2 साल में नीचे you can put a dash. So with this 4 yearly moving average का table समाप्त होता है. I know it's little time consuming, but if you listen to it and practice it carefully, again it's easy. So no worries class, मैंने और एक sum लिया है so that you can follow the trick more easily now. So we have taken up question number 4, sum number 9, which is again solve the question in problem number 7 using 4 yearly moving averages. So बिना देखे मेरे को बताओ class कितने column बनेंगे? 6 column. Tell me what are the names of the 6 columns. First दो तो आप you will be copying it from the question number 7. The third column will be for yearly moving total. पहला total मारेंगे. The fourth column will be for yearly moving averages. Fifth column will be 2 unit moving total. And fourth column finally क्या होगा? For yearly centered moving averages trend values. ठीक है class? Okay, done. So as you can see, I have made the table ready. Very important thing, leave one line after the year. So एक साल के बाद एक लाइन छोड़ो, एक साल के बाद एक लाइन छोड़ो, एक साल के बाद एक लाइन छोड़ो, and in the similar manner you are writing the values in front of the year. So अपना पहला bundle will be 0 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. We will write the value 3 और 3 के बीच में over here. Once you get the value, 0 cut हो जाएगा. Your next bundle will start 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4. 3 और 4 के बीच में you will write the value. तो सबसे पहले you will make all the arrows which is required so that आपका mistake ना हो लिखते समय. So आपका final bundle का arrow will be 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8. 6 और 8 के बीच में total आएगा. So this should be the last total. तो आपका यहाँ पे एक dash आ सकता है, यहाँ पे एक dash आ सकता है. Are you all clear with that class? So once you are done with that, this is what is the final total you're getting. 10, 14, 16, 19, 23, 27, 32. Okay. After that, आपको अभी इसको करना है divide. You will be dividing it by 4. So all the values you will be dividing it by 4 over here. So after dividing by 4, you will get somewhat like this. 2.50, 3.50, 4.00, 4.75, 5.75 and so on. Next column के लिए दो value का total करना है. So you'll make an arrow and answer should be in the center of them. तो ऐसे करते करते आपका final total will be 6.75 और 8 के बीच में like this. So with the help of pencil you can make the required arrows. आपको पता चलेगा कहाँ total लिखना है. So once you are done with writing the total, the next thing is coming and preparing the last column. So for last column आप कितने से divide करोगे? 4 से. Wrong. You will be dividing it by 2. So 6 by 2 you get 3. 7.5 by 2 you get 3.75. 8.75 divided by 2 you get 4.375 and so on. तो इसी के साथ आपका 4 yearly moving table averages यहाँ पे खत्म होता है. So I hope class you followed the moving averages का table, how to make 3 yearly, 5 yearly and 4 yearly table. If not, please listen to the video again. बीच में pause करो, खुद से some practice करो and then check the value with the videos I have shown. In the next video also we'll be covering the same topic. We'll be solving the miscellaneous sums related to 3 yearly, 5 yearly and 4 yearly moving averages. So till then, class, please keep practicing, keep learning, keep listening to the video, and if any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I hope today's video was really beneficial for you all to understand the method of measuring or estimating the trend values in time series. So stay tuned till we meet in our next lecture. So I stop here today, class. Thank you so very much for listening to me and being so patient. Thank you so much.